In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this object by rotating individual faces. Let's create a cube, and go to Edit mode. If we want to extrude the selected faces individually, we must use the Extrude Individual tool. In order to scale the faces correctly, we must then change the pivot to individual as well. In order to rotate the selected faces individually, then we must change the transform orientation to normal. Type R and Z to rotate the faces along the normal. Now that we know how to rotate the faces individually, let's use another mesh to create an interesting looking result. One more thing that we could try to do is moving the selected faces along one axis. This is the result. Let's add new materials. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.